Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SONY SRS-XV500 speaker and I'm going to tell you how to manage the connected devices. At first we have to scroll a little bit down to settings. Here we have to tap management of Bluetooth and connected devices, and as you can see the only device connected now is Pixel 8. But let's check what if I connect with my private phone with the speaker. As you can see now I'm in the Bluetooth settings and I'm connecting with our speaker. As you can see here we are connected with our Pixel 8 and Camille's iPhone right now. If I want to disconnect from my device, we have to just tap disconnect. Disconnect Camille's iPhone, disconnect. Okay. Here, switch playback device and fix. We have even if we tap on the device too. And if we want to enter parent mode for any other device that is not in recently connected devices, we have to tap plus. And now we are in parent mode with our speaker. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.